Like if you don't want something, they are going to use the police against us, and then they give up other people guns to kill us. So,
But you know, we have books from Haiti that are in Creole, and there are schools that function in Creole in Haiti. And they say, like the school in Lagonave that's called Matenois, they say that their certificate, for anybody that's in a 6th grade exam, pass rate is 100%, even though the exam's in French, but the kids have been learning in Creole all those years. And they say that the national average is 40%. So I don't think that they've got. I'm sure they've had challenges, but they're recognized by the Ministry of Education, so it is possible.
It's not actually. It's something they have to do. Like the Creole Academy, they don't want to invest in it.
Okay. Yeah.
Actually, they have to invest in Creole Academy.
Yeah.
So that they can prepare like the book that you have. You see, the book is well illustrated.
Which one are you talking about?
The one that you have at the school at project down there. The one that you gave me so that I can type, so that I can give them those exams that I used to give them.
Okay, like a Creole Institute.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
This one is good. Actually, these are the type of book that we need in Haiti.
Yeah.
But we don't have those.
Yeah. Most of the books, the Creole books that we have at the school, we got from Haiti.
Yeah, but
most schools don't have them. Yeah, exactly.
You just sit right there. Sit there not doing anything.
Yeah.
Actually, they have to go in school and then giving those books.
Yeah.
We have to have chemistry, math, and physics.
Yeah.
Literature, and then other stuff like other books and Creole, so that we can learn.
Yeah.
The amount of time you're gonna use to learn in French, you will only like take a glance, and then it's already in Creole. You won't need more time to spend to learn. Like for example, history. Not all Asians know exactly our history.
Yeah.
We don't.
Yeah.
Because it's in French.
Yeah.
If it was in Creole, like just like read and couple, you're done. Because you can summarize it on your own.
Yeah.
In French, because you don't speak French, you can summarize it.
Yeah.
Like if you said that summarize year independent or 1803.
Yeah.
This gonna lead to our independence, the last fight. It says summarize it in French. You will struggle to summarize it.
Yeah.
But if it's in Creole, you done.
Yeah.
But in French you will like, oh man. You will have to actually have books and go into Google and then this and that.
Yeah.
But in Creole, you will have to sit what you know, and then you're done.
Yeah.
But in French, it's very, 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 very difficult to actually summarize something in French.
Yeah.
But those who go to school like to NAM or Priest.
Yeah, they're actually immersed in it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Which those books are written in French.
Yeah.
We don't speak French.
Yeah.
Most of these books they go to school like running by the NAM and Priest.
Yeah.
Those are the people who can say, oh, okay, these students they speak French.
Yeah.
But you cannot close your eyes and then say, oh, go there and go here, go there, go up, go down. Then no. You have to actually, there are specific schools you can send your kids to speak French.
Because a lot of times in other schools the teachers don't dominate the language themselves.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They speak French. Those books actually coming from the US and Canada. If you cannot speak French, you are not going to be in there.
Yeah. So you like books in Creole, education in Creole?
In Creole, like people will learn more. Like my cousin, they always come in and ask me, explain this, explain that. If it was in Creole, they would have done it by themselves.
Yeah.
But when you have a language,
barrier.
It's very sad, but like it's the same thing. Like here, they speak Spanish. If you want to teach them Spanish and they want to teach them in French, wasting time.
Yeah.
Because they are speaking Spanish and learning in French.
Yeah.
Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
This is what's happening in Haiti. We speak in Creole every day. Our great-grandparents, our parents.
Yep.
But they say that we speak French. We don't speak French.
Yeah.
Whenever they want to like to manipulate.
Yeah.
They speak French. If you want to go deep in Haiti, you gonna speak with these people in French. They be like, what?
They'll get the counting.
Yeah,
the colors.
What is going on? Because we don't understand what he or she is saying.
Yeah.
Actually, you need someone to translate.
Yeah.
But if we speak French, I mean French as they said, we wouldn't need someone to translate.
Yeah.
You can go, oh, okay, I'll do this and do that, but actually you need someone to translate. And then you even have an institute to learn French. You don't speak French.
Yeah.
It's like you speak English. You need another school to speak English. It doesn't make any sense.
Right.
It's my language. I don't need institute to speak French again because since I already speak it.
Yeah.
It's a lot. It's a lot of stuff going on with Haiti, but unfortunately, not a lot of people. We don't know what to do.
Yeah.
With this type of people because they are the one giving us what they want.
Yeah.
Like there's a quote in Japanese: "If you want to destroy any country, first you have to destroy their education."
Yeah.
This is what they've been doing with Haiti for years.
So you feel like foreign influence has been destroying education?
They implement a system that we cannot go forward in terms of education. To have a strong...
What's the power over Haiti to follow that system and not do your own system, do you think?
We cannot do our own system because we still have people to oppress us.
Shot.